how you going? Sky Pilot here. I'm going to fly the Tello today with my knee extender to see if the Tello FPV app has fixed its return to home and yeah, distance from you problem that I had recently. Let's get going. Okay, so I'm not going to fly with the Bluetooth remote. I'm going to fly with the app. So hopefully I get less interference and less things can go wrong. The Bluetooth's good at close proximity, but when you're flying a long way away, like I'm going to do today, yeah, the Bluetooth is a bit unreliable. But yeah, good for the close stuff though, so still worth its money. Let's get cracking. Awesome, so blue light's on.
She's connected really well, quite easily without hassle to my mini Wi-Fi extender. So yeah, let's go, let's take it up.
As you can see, I'm using the new FPV app here, so last time I flew with this I had some trouble with its distance, how far away from me it was and everything, so hopefully today things are a bit better, so let's go for it. I'll hit the record, do some screen recording, which it looks like it's doing at the moment. Terrific. Take off and land. Yeah. Okay, I'm using, yep, seems to be working. Okay. Like I said, I'm just using my controllers at the moment to control it. And so far it's saying it's 6-7 meters high, which is pretty accurate. And it's also showing 2.3 meters from me, which again is also quite accurate. So, okay. I'm going to do a return to home test now. Goodbye Tello. Get a little bit of height. We all know we can go to 30 meters. Let's try and speed things up a bit, shall we? Okay, there we go. Stick them on S and it goes to speed. Let's go all the way to 30, shall we? 29 and stop. I'll just drop it down to 25 so it's not stressing out. Excellent. Alright, let's go forward now. Well, this is so much nicer to fly than that crappy 106 I had yesterday. I believe it's still recording. Doesn't actually say it's not recording, so okay, record video. Oh no, photo, and sorry, now it's recording. There's my okay, it's taking a photo anyway, and now I'm recording, so it's showing 30 minutes of recording, whatever that means. Okay, let's go forward over past those trees there, and let's do a quick circle around the place. Right, this one here. Up and away. Tricks. Okay, so I'm just going to do an autopilot spin around. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, home. Return to home. Let's go. What's the Tello going to do? So far it's worked really well. Everything's looking pretty good. So, distance to go. Now what I didn't set was the distance I want it to return to home at, so we'll have a look at that shortly, but looks like it's dropping anyway. VPS inactive. There it is over there, she's dropping down. And it's not quite coming back to home, but no, it's stopping just over there. So not quite returning to home, but hey. What if we go return to home again? Distance to go 13 meters. Okay. 3 meters. 2, 1, and we hit that home button there. Okay, let's bring it back here. Oh, where's it looking? Which way are we going? Alright, spin around. And bring it back down. I do enjoy flying this Tello, it's a ripper unit. How much battery power do we have left? 74%, okay. Okay, so if I put it in front of me here, that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to call this home here. So altitude limit 30 meters, confirm takeoff, return to home, minimum return to home is 9 meters, so I'm going to make that 25, that way I'll make it 15, that way I'll clear all the trees and returning to home quite fast. Alright, excellent. Okay. So again, now it's saying 38 meters away from me, and we all know it's not because it's just above my head. Something to do with hitting the return to home a couple of times, so all I'm going to do is land and take off again. So we're going to land now. See, it's showing 37 meters away, which, as you can see guys, she ain't 37 meters away. So land, touchdown. Okay, let's take off straight away. So we're on 0 meters and showing correct again. Okay, so 0.5 meters. So let's get straight out there. I'm going to go all the way up to 30. I'm going to take it over and past those trees in sport. Now I'm going to see if we can return to home this time. Okay, it's about 30. So I need to face west. No, I don't want to lose this drone. Okay, and video saved. I'll hit the video record button again in case I lose this footage, because I'm flying almost out of sight now. That's a long way away, guys. Yeah, 108 meters away. What do you think? Shall I push it? 114. I might just take it on slow now. My record is about 115, so 116. I have now broken my record of distance away for the Tello. 17, 18, 19. I'll let you guys look. I'm still getting a pretty good picture. Yeah, this Mi extender is awesome, guys. 122 meters away, and she's still cranking on. 124 meters away. Let's do a slow circle around, shall we? Battery low. Oh dear. Return to home. Okay. Altitude limit. I'm returning to home now. It's saying the battery's low. 11%. Come on, return to home, Tello. Hey folks, so you've probably realised things are about to go bad here. So what actually happened was I was pushing the sticks forward for the Tello to go forward. However, the automatic return to home feature spun the Tello around. So where I thought I was actually pulling the sticks so that the Tello would fly back towards me, I was actually sending the Tello further away. If you have a look at the meters, which I forgot to look at the time, and the meters showing the distance from me is increasing, and yeah, Have a look what happens. Battery's low. I'm on 9%. Come on, Tello. Let's put it in sport mode. Let's get back. Come on. Return to home. I'm 200 meters away. Oh dear. Time to go for a walk. Sit rep. Yeah. Bad news, guys. 215 meter record. The Tello flew to. Actually, that's the good news. The bad news is, yeah, where I was going forwards, I was actually going backwards, but I thought I was going forwards, but yeah, so I was going backwards. Hence 215.5 meters away, which is when it died. Yeah, I've lost it. Yeah, she's lost. Okay, so for sale is a hardly used Tello bag with mint condition game serve Bluetooth remote and 1 battery, plus the standard OEM shell. Anybody interested? Yeah, drop me a comment. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe. I need to buy a new Tello. Bummer. See you not in the sky, on the road. I'll have one last look for it. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye for now. Damn. Okay, so that was the tree I was looking at there. Okay, yeah, it's easy to see how it's gone the wrong way. So it's basically flown straight back from that tree there, somewhere down there. Okay.
It was worth the try.